Yeah, man, what's down? We back out here, me and my dog Archie, you know, rolling high. He got him made a little pop-up meet, you know what I'm saying? Finna go ride around or something like that. We had got bored, wanted to just cruise around, stuff like that, while everybody quarantining. Hopefully everybody staying safe from this coronavirus, you know, make sure y'all keep your hands clean. Oh, make sure y'all can see me, my bad. Keep y'all hands clean, use Germ-X, Clorox wipes, everything to the fullest. And my dog right here getting right. Y'all make sure y'all go follow his YouTube channel, Rolling High.
Rolling High Squad. T-shirts and stickers is on the way for everybody. Y'all stay tuned for that. I'm gonna try to get them out in 2 weeks, man.
Yeah. And you know, yeah, I'm gonna start working on the same thing, getting some t-shirts out or some keychains, whatever y'all want. Y'all comment below on what y'all want me to drop. I can make it happen for y'all for real. And y'all done seen his truck already. This thing nasty for real. He got some good mods coming. He on 24x14. You wanna tell everybody what you got going on?
Oh yeah. Alright, so this a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. I got the LEDs on the headlights I just put in. I got a Denali grill, glossy black, Gary. I put a rock light in the center of the grill. I'm gonna put some more in there to gloss it all up. Then I got the 24s by 14 on some amps, 35 by 13 and a half. You know what I'm saying? Got a little stretch to it, not too much. I'm running 6 rock lights total. I got 2 on each side in the front, and 1 in the back. I got a 7-inch rough country lift. Just put the tow mirrors on. Inside, I'll take y'all inside too. Customization inside. So I got the flow lights in there, you know.
It's dumb right there.
Got the dash all white to match the truck. I ain't finished with that though, cause I'm gonna go jump on the door. I'm gonna do that orange race and all that. Then I'm gonna put lights in the back too. I got them already. I ain't put them in. I got them already. But getting ready to put stars in that thing too. So y'all stay tuned for that.
Yeah. That's the move. That's the move.
I'm talking about
Rolls Royce roof, huh?
Yeah,
that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, we got a lot of things planned though for shows in general. Don't you got a truck show coming up, huh?
We still ain't met yet about the date, but we gonna aim for July.
Alright.
We're gonna aim for July because of scraping.
Yeah.
Gonna give everybody a chance, you know, go to scraping and stuff and regroup.
Right,
and,
right.
So July, y'all look out for that truck show.
Right. Yeah, you know, Ghost got some plans for scraping. Yeah, we got major plans for scraping, man. I'm telling you. Y'all gonna be like, man, what? This gonna be a whole different looking truck, man. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, scraping that's gonna be the meat right there. Lord willing, everything go right, this gonna be the meat for real. Oh yeah, they been right here, told it. bit. Oh, yeah. Do something with that bit, man. Man, this bit here, hey, I'm telling you, he going viral if he bust his ass. Damn! That man broke out the tail lamp. He broke out the tail lamp. Then. About to walk that bit? Thuggin', huh? Yeah, cut up. Oh yeah, yeah, he swagged out. Go ahead, swing that bit out there with him. Swinging that bit.
Oh, I can smoke a blackout. I'll do that bit for real. I'll do it again. Let me spin that bitch on the front. I'll do that bit again.
He smoked that bit out, man. This is a Krispy Kreme right here, huh?
Oh, yeah. You gonna follow through the damn thing.
Shit. That's Krispy Kreme right there. Hey, he say that, bitch. Hey, that been dancing, man. like that?
You gotta be college.
Huh? Gage almost shit himself. Yeah. I thought he was coming over here. I said, oh, there go 12. You're like,